The top 5 factors to crush it on Facebook. Number 1, video, video, video. Everything you do could be a potential video, and you can actually put it on Facebook. You don't have to do anything new, just document what you are doing and put it on Facebook. You could do it yourself, you could have somebody else shoot it, you could do selfie, you could just do video. Put a ton of videos in your phone, and then you'll have a ton of content for your Facebook feed. Number 2 is pictures. Pictures are super important, but too many pictures could probably hinder people. You want to mix the right amount of pictures with the right amount of video, but quality pictures are key. So make sure you're using your settings, your filters, your presets to have quality pictures that make you stand out, especially if you're a business or a brand. Get your logo on those. Now, you don't want to, put the logo that's overwhelming to the picture, but make sure it's on the side somewhere, and that's important for you to increase your brand awareness with really quality, solid pictures. Number 3, this is growing and getting out of control bananas on social media, especially Facebook, is stories. Everything especially could be in a story. Now, not everything necessarily should be on your Facebook page. Save that for quality videos, but really anything and everything could be in a story, and you can tag people, tag locations, you could put fun, different emoticons, and all kinds of different things that are happening in stories. People are consumed. That's why advertisers are living in stories. Number 4, you could do Facebook Live events. They are simple. People love when things are live. You actually don't have to be live to do a Facebook Live event, but why not do it live? You could, you're hosting a different event at your job, you're doing something fun, you're in the car with friends, just do a Facebook Live event once a week. And then the last thing, and I think the most important thing, is you can leverage your Facebook to create a lead generation funnel. You've probably seen these before, but you can do it just like anybody else. You create a video, that's a teaser video, then it goes to a landing page. There's free landing pages out there or cheap, and you put a second video that kind of continues the story, the conversation, whatever you were talking about in the video that got people's attention. And then in that video, it's a little longer, maybe 3 minutes. You fully explain your product, your service, your brand, your business, or whatever it is. And then you have some qualifying questions. You could easily do this with Google Forms, free, and you have some qualifying questions to see if this person is ready for your service, and then you can have them schedule a call or contact you, and you can literally use your Facebook to create leads that can help you impact your business, grow your brand, take you to the next level.